In the known history of life, evolution has repeatedly taken the jaws of an ant and produced weapons of extreme speed and devastating power. These trapjaw ants stalk the undergrowth with their spring-loaded mandibles open and ready to snap on unsuspecting prey. What's remarkable is that spring-loaded trapjaws have evolved at least 5 times in ants, but with each independent evolution, the ants use a different anatomical structure to act as a latch, spring, and trigger. For example, ants in the genus Odontomachus lock their mandibles open while loading an internal spring. Then they use a fast-acting trigger muscle to unlock their mandibles and release the stored energy. Their jaws shut in as little as 1/10 of a millisecond and reach speeds up to 150 miles per hour. Ants in the genus Myrmeteris are rare trapjaw ants from Southeast Asia. They've evolved their trapjaws independently of other ants, but very little is known about their biology. The aim of my research was to generate the first mechanical description of Myrmeteris trapjaws. To measure their speed, I used a high-speed camera filming at 50,000 frames per second. I found that their strikes occur in about half a millisecond, which is 700 times faster than the blink of an eye. But relative to Odontomachus strikes, Myrmeteris mandibles are only half as fast, at about 60 miles per hour. While filming, I noticed the lobe on the back of their head compressing during the loading phase prior to a strike. This structure likely is acting as a spring, storing elastic energy used to power their fast mandibles. Next, I made micro-CT scans of the ants' heads to study their internal anatomy. The large muscle is composed of slow contracting fibers and is responsible for loading the spring inside and on the back of the head. The smaller muscle is composed of fast contracting muscle fibers that can release the strike. The anatomical structures Myrmeteris use to lock, load, and release their jaws are completely different from those used by other trapjaw ants. Trapjaw ants like these have redefined what we knew about how fast animals could be. Evolution has invented spring-loaded jaws in ants multiple times, and by studying the mechanisms behind these movements, we can better understand the relationship between structure and function, and how nature has come up with multiple solutions to the same problem.